Baking with steam on SD Amigo panel. When you turn on the oven by pressing the on-off button, you'll find the steam function in the lower display of the panel. Use the plus and minus buttons next to the display to activate, inactivate, or adjust the steam time. The steam function is inactive when the display shows off. By pressing the plus button, you activate the function and add desired steam time. You can set anywhere from 0 to 30 seconds, and the steam is always released at the beginning of the bake, as soon as the baking timer starts. When baking with steam, the steam must first heat up before the baking time can be started. The steam is ready when the diode next to the steam time shows a steady light. When starting the baking timer, the steam will be active for the numbers of seconds set in the steam display. If you don't want to use the steam when baking, press the minus button next to the steam display until it shows off.